Now we'll go through an exercise to add custom JavaScript to a theme. After this exercise, we will have learned the following things. First, we will have learned how to add JavaScript to the theme, as well as the DOM variables, a sign-in modal, and a click event for closing the nav. So here are the steps that we'll be taking in this exercise. First, we'll add main.js to the theme. We'll then set DOM variables and the sign-in widget. We'll add the click event for closing the navigation, and then we'll deploy the theme to see JavaScript changes. After this exercise, there will be one bonus exercise that I won't be going through, but that you can try for yourself. And this would be to write your own JavaScript component to load on every single page. And with this, let's get into the exercise. Now we'll be adding custom JavaScript to a theme. So we'll add the main.js to a theme, and so we'll find in our exercise folder again, we'll find the JS folder, and then we'll copy this main.js, and in our Livingston Fjord theme, we'll go to our source, we'll go to JS, and we'll copy in main.js, which will house all of our JavaScript functions and properties. We'll set the DOM variables and the sign-in widget. And so we'll edit this main.js in our Visual Studio Code, open this up for us. We can actually close all of these partials because we don't need them. We'll drag main in here, make sure that this is the one in your Livingston Fjord theme. And from here, we're going to replace these snippets. And so for the sign-in widget, we'll highlight this comment over here. We'll type in LFR to see what's available to us. And we see right here that there's O1 variables and sign-in. So we'll click this. Make sure to save this file. And then we'll add a click event for closing the navigation. So we'll highlight the snippet over here. We'll type in LFR again to view the available snippets. And then we'll put this in, close nav click, and we'll save this. Now, in order to see the JavaScript changes, we'll have to deploy the theme. We'll go into our terminal again. We'll run npm run deploy for the deploy command. And this will take a couple of moments, but we can come back into the terminal with our Liferay instance, and we should see when the theme is copying and deploying. Now that we've started the Livingston Fjord theme, we can go back to our browser window. We'll refresh the page, and we'll see that the JavaScript changes have deployed.